Hi, today I'm so excited to show you this portable 25-inch TV. So come along with me and I'll show you what it's all about. In this scenario, I'm heading on over to Google to research a chocolate chip cookie recipe so I can use this in my kitchen and make some yummy cookies. You can use the remote control and flying squirrel functions to watch video recipes and cook in the kitchen and watch movies and Korean songs at outdoor gatherings. Here I am being able to wash the dishes and watch a music video from this portable TV. I love how it looks. And once you're done with all your applications, all you have to do is swipe up to get out of it. Like I mentioned, this also comes with a remote that makes it super accessible wherever you are. This has a built-in high-definition camera with a privacy cover. You can use this for video calls or for video conferencing. You can also use the privacy cover to turn off the camera after use.